I have with me Deepu Pradhan, a young college student from Assam who contracted the virus, spent more than a week at this hospital, the MGM Healthcare in Chennai. He came under severe attack. Doctors found him to be severe in condition. He was also in the ICU for 3 days, and now it's recovery, total recovery, and is all set to be discharged. Deepu, thank you very much for your time. Congratulations. How does it feel?
Wonderful. Like it's really good. This hospital is like really good. They helped me in lot of ways. So initially when I came I was having breathing troubles. So I was even taken to the ICU for like they provided me like very good the facilities are really good and now I'm fine, doing fine really. Yeah.
How difficult was it at that time when doctors found you to be severe in condition?
Actually, I started improving physically. The hospital is really, as I told, like food, everything was like, I was, what I think is like, we need to be more strong mentally at this point of time. Like mental support is like main. So I was in the ICU, like, it was kind of like different experience for my like entire lifetime. I didn't have anything to do. I was just laying in bed. So like being so young and laying in bed for like more than 100 hours. So I didn't have anything to do. Like it was very difficult. So I kept up like mentally strong and yeah, like that's it. So
What did you feel at that time?
like I can't express like it's I just thought like at least I'm able to get this hospital. So that's like the hope. Like so many people are there. We are like not even getting this hospital. Even like I was there in Bangalore. I didn't found any bad and hospitals like in Bangalore. So I shifted emergency to Chennai. Somehow I got here. So I was lucky. So I thought myself like yes, so many people are suffering and this is nothing for me. Like this, my pain is also like nothing. So many people are suffering. So like yeah, we have to fight against this. That's it.
Think your recovery will be so fast?
Like uh, yeah, I thought because the hospital is really good. Like the hospital is really good.
Second wave targets many young people, unlike the first wave.
Sorry.
Unlike the first wave,
Okay.
what will be your message?
Message is like uh, for the people that we should try to stay safe, use masks as much as can, like whatever the doctors and like known peoples are telling us to do, like stay safely, stay safe, use sanitizers and all, and mostly try to help out each other. Like this is something like there's no exactly medicines or like something. We have to like get our immunity strong, help out each other as much as we can, and that's yeah, mental support is something like really I got from my like family, friends, and doctors and nurses and all. That's like yeah, we should support each other at this point of time.
Deepu, thank you very much and wish you all the best.
Thank.
What it means now is that this criteria that elderly people are getting affected is no longer true. We are seeing more and more 30 years, 35-year-olds, less than 30-year-old with moderate lung involvement, no breathlessness, nothing walking into our ER, and but we think they are stable and they suddenly desaturate on the fifth or the sixth day. So whether it is a new mutant, looks like that, but it's made our life tougher because we really are not able to anticipate who is going to need hospitalization and who is not going to need hospitalization anymore. Message for public, please go ahead and vaccinate. We are opening up vaccination for 18 plus, which most people have been waiting very eagerly. From 1st of May, the registration is opening as I speak. There is a COVID portal, you can go on it. The most important thing is whether this vaccine comes free or whether it is coming at 250 rupees or 400, 600, 1200. It is worth it because if we are able to spend that 1000 rupees, we are probably saving lakhs in healthcare. So, and we may still not be able to save a life. After taking vaccination, it is even more mandatory or continue to be mandatory that we wear mask and maintain social distancing.
Certainly, heartwarming, remarkable story of recovery amid loss of life, shortage of beds and oxygen. Also, These underscore the need to comply with COVID norms, recognizing the huge burden healthcare professionals are under for more than a year. At the MGM Healthcare in Chennai with Shah Vijay, Sam Daniel, Find TV.